Renault is currently testing the all-new 2026 Renault Clio RS under camouflage, and based on the latest spy photos, we believe that it will look very similar to these renders. The new hot hatch gets an aggressive carbon body kit, 20-inch forged wheels, a huge rear spoiler, and dual exhaust pipes, surrounded by an aggressive diffuser. Rumors say that the new car will be powered by a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, making around 300 horsepower. The power is sent to the front wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox and a limited slip differential with torque vectoring control. Guys, what do you think about the new Clio RS? Let us know in the comments. Thanks.